just finished washing my hair, and for the past few weeks I've been using this NuFusion line. I started with their deep cleansing shampoo, and I'm about to start with their bonding stabilizer. I'm gonna put that on my head, detangle, put a conditioning cap on for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll show you guys the results. So I use the processing cap for about 15 to 20 minutes. I set under the dryer to add a little heat to it. So now I'm gonna rinse that out and use their maintenance mask. Rinse this out, I'll start styling. So I've just finished rinsing out the mask. I've sectioned my hair off so that I can start styling. What I really love about the NuFusion bonding system is that although it gives my hair a lot of strength, it allows me to retain a lot of moisture, which color treated hair definitely needs, and especially curly hair. And for you low maintenance girls like myself, wash and goes, low manipulation, that sort of thing, this is really good for us. I don't have to put forth major effort to get great results. So after following the steps, NuFusion, I'll start styling. Then at night I'll pull it up into a pineapple, and in the morning I'll let y'all see the results. Okay, so this is me first thing in the morning. Have my bonnet to secure my pineapple. I'll take that off. Fluff out my ponytail a little bit. I'll take my scarf off. And take the pineapple down. As you can see, it's still a little wet. If I'm not liking the way my hair is looking, I'll diffuse it, but more likely than not, I'll just let it air dry. So I'll separate my curls and get them where I want them to set for the day. As you can see, it's still very defined, and it still is very moisturized after using that NuFusion mask. And other than that, that's all I'll do. I'll fluff it out a little more, and that's it for me getting up in the morning and styling my wash and go. Very low maintenance. Very happy with the results.